Coming into the Synergistic room. Oh, there's Peter Hansen from Synergistic. Hey, Peter, how are you?
Good and yourself, Peter.
Very good today. What are you showing at the show?
We have a follow-up from our show at Rocky Mountain Audio Fest. We introduced the HFT and the FEQ, which was the two first products in our uniform energy field technology line of products. The XOTs is the world debut, which stands for crossover transducer. It's utilizing the UEF technology, and they're designed to be plugged into the back of your speakers, and it deals with high frequency noise inside of your crossover and the speakers. Very effective product.
Yeah, it's lightweight. Flexible.
They come with either bananas or spades, depending on what your speakers need.
Okay. And if I was to put that into my current loudspeakers, the MBLs, what would I hear? What
the UEF technology is bringing to the table, and all the Synergistic research products are designed to do, is to lower the noise floor in your system, but also to give a bit of compression. So you will hear an opening of the natural opening of the sound field. That's what they will do for you as well. That's what the HFTs do acoustically in the room, the FAQ as well. XOT, as said, deals with the same issues, but inside the crossover of your speakers.
Okay, we'll have to test those out this year.
Beautiful.
Good. And I know the HFTs. You were kind enough to visit us a month and a half ago and do an install, and I was frankly shocked, and I'm almost a little bit ashamed of myself for hearing such a big difference for something that I just didn't think possible. So
it's a very, very effective product, and it's taken off like crazy, which of course makes us happy.
and here
The
we
red
are.
fuses are also our new launch at the CES show.
Okay.
They're a step up in performance from our quantum fuses, and they're also available now.
And I'm sure you have multiple types and.
Yeah, we got the 5x20s, the 6.3 by 32 mils, in probably like 60 different values. Next week you'll see the UEF cable tuning circuits. We have also applied the UEF technology to our own circuits that's used for the active shielding on our cables. Tremendous improvement.
So where does this go?
It goes on, if you look over on your cables here, I'll show it to you, Peter. Over here we have one of our cables, which is an element copper interconnect. And these we apply a 30 volt DC bias to the outside shield of the cable, making it an active shielded cable. If the power supply that goes in here is so dead short, it will obviously burn out. So you got to create a load for it. And that's what these circuits do. You plug them in, the blue LED light will come on, indicating that this active shield is active, but it also creating the load for the power supply.
Now where does the power supply go?
It goes into this other pigtail.
Into the other pigtail, okay.
Yeah. So depending on how the circuit is designed, it has a form of voicing to it. So the gray will be a warmer presentation. Silver gives you the more air and detail. So you can voice the cable specifically to match your system.
Well, I know I'm going to be a silver man. Let's see the rest of the system down here.
Yeah, if you come down here, we are using the Magical Q3 speakers. We got the reference Rogue Audio monoblocks that were specifically built for us. We have quantum tunneled every single part that can't be quantum tunneled in it. And it's also their reference preamp from Rogue.
That's down here.
And then we are using for our computer audio front end is a Western Digital hard drive with the Mac Mini. And we're using the Luxman DAC, which is a phenomenal piece.
Well, I understand that there's been some experimentation in your studio with putting HFTs in the Luxman DAC.
What you can't see inside, yes, that is correct. The HFTs are amazing what they will do on internal chips inside the component. And we put an HFT on top of the DDA converter chip in it, lowered the noise floor, got rid of compression like there's no tomorrow. So there's a lot more to come.
Well, we're going to sit down and do a short listening session, and I just got to tell you, the HFTs in my system at the FEQ, I don't know what to say. It transformed my room, and my room has a lot of material in it, a lot of artwork. There's a lot of equipment in my room, and I just didn't think that they could possibly do what they do. So
Sounds like you're a happy man.
I am so far.
Good.
Okay, thank you very much, Peter.
Thank
from
you, Peter.
Synergistic.
Appreciate it.